for the ultimate in DIY and workshop quality tools. ToolPRO X is now available at Supercheap Auto. Where other tools fall short, ToolPRO X has got your back. Slip-resistant sockets undo up to 85% rounded nuts and bolts, and the 90-tooth ratchets allow for more precise control in tight spaces. One set is all you need. Fit them in your tool cabinet and take them where you need to go. Whether you're off-road, on the track, in the garage, out in the workshop, deep in a project, or racing round the mountain, ToolPRO X has got your back. The universal joints allow for up to 45 degrees of smooth and controlled use, with a quick release button for secure holding and easy removal of sockets. The spanner's slip-resistant open ends provide 25% more torque over standard spanners. ToolPRO X's lifetime warranted range of tools will never leave you stranded. ToolPRO X has got you covered, only at Supercheap Auto.